Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to copy a sheet to a different spreadsheet in Google Sheets. So whether you're simplifying collaboration for your team, moving data into a new project, or just reorganizing your files, by the end of this video, you'll know how to move your sheets around Google Sheets smoothly and efficiently, and with total confidence. Let's jump right in and get started. First up, you'll want to have your Google Sheet open, the one that contains the sheet you want to copy. Down at the very bottom, you'll see the Sheet tabs, which usually default to names like Sheet 1 or Custom ones if you've renamed them. Go ahead and find the one you'd like to copy. Once you're sure you're looking at the right one, hover your mouse over the sheet name at the bottom. What you want to do here is right-click on the tab. If you're on a Mac trackpad, a two-finger tap does the trick. For everyone else, just a regular right-click. This opens up a menu with a list of options. Sometimes it can feel overwhelming with all the choices, but don't worry, we're looking for the one called Copy To. It should be about halfway down the list. Click on Copy To, and now you'll see two options. You can copy to a new spreadsheet, or you can choose existing spreadsheet. Let me pause here to explain why you might pick one over the other. If you're starting something fresh, maybe you want a brand new document with just this copied sheet, go with New Spreadsheet. Google Sheets will automatically create a new file and insert your copied sheet for you. This is perfect for when you want a portable version of that sheet, maybe to share with someone else or to keep things nice and clean. But if you already have a spreadsheet where you want the sheet to land, perhaps you're consolidating several sheets into one big file, then choose Existing Spreadsheet. When you click that, you'll be prompted to find the spreadsheet you want. You can search by name or look through your recent files. Take your time here. If you have a lot of spreadsheets, don't rush, just double check that you're picking the right one. Selecting the wrong file isn't the end of the world, but it might be confusing later on. Once you've located the spreadsheet you want, simply click to select it, and Google Sheets will let you know when the sheet been copied over. At this point, head over to that destination spreadsheet. This is really important. The new copied sheet will appear with the original name, typically with the word copy of in front, just so you can spot it easily. If you're not seeing it right away, sometimes it takes a few moments to show up, especially if your internet is a bit slow or you're working with larger files. Just refresh your browser if needed. Don't worry, your data's safe. Next, you can click on the New Sheet tab. This is your fully copied sheet, separate from the original. All your data, formatting, and formulas, everything should have come over just like it was. If you notice anything missing or strange, double-check your source sheet and try copying again. It's rare, but it can happen with very complex sheets. Now, if you want the sheet to appear in a specific order, just drag and drop the tab left or right into the place you want. That way, your spreadsheet stays nice and organized. And remember, the two sheets are now independent. Editing one won't affect the other, so you're free to customize to your heart's content. That's it, you've successfully copied a sheet to a different spreadsheet in Google Sheets. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions about this process or run into any problems, drop them in the comments below. I'm always here to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more handy tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy spreadsheeting.